No, it's a good movie. I mean, it's, you ever seen that movie? That's like 10, 15 years old.
It's 20 years old, 23 years old. Came out like 2000.
Yeah, dude. You gotta catch up on some shit, man.
Dude, I told you I'm like Patrick. I lived under a rock.
Patrick the Starfish. That's a funny guy right there. Yeah, man. I'll bet you next time. Well, they won't now. You know?
Yeah, sorry about all the wind noise. I was just going at a reasonable speed, and I had this fucking soccer mom van riding my ass. I'm like, okay, well, let me see what you got, soccer mom.
You should attempt her a race.
Soccer mom's coming up on me fast, bro. I'm going like 80 and a 65.
Okay, so what you do is just rev it up real quick while she's next to you, you know what I'm saying, on the highway. And then you just look at her and be like, what's up, bitch?
Well, if there was a clear, because it's a 2 lane, I'm on 60, it's 2 lanes. And if there was a clear shot of getting into 2 lanes straight, I'd fucking race it. Dude, I'm going 86 now. I'm going almost 90. Soccer mom still wants to go fast. I'm going 90 now. This is funny.
Keep going.
I want to see how fast soccer mom wants to go. So I'm going 96 now. Like, oh fuck me. The truck's getting in front of me. 1 second.
Take the shoulder.
I'm taking the shoulder now. I'm taking the shoulder. Oh, get some air. Soccer mom's still coming up behind me. We're going 97. Hold on. I have to close the sunroof for maximum aerodynamics. Oh, here comes the yellow light. Maybe me and soccer mom take a fucking drag race. Let's see what happens. Let's see if soccer mom wants to go. I'm going to maintain holding the left lane. See if soccer mom wants to get on my right side. Soccer mom is not slowing down. Soccer mom is definitely going to run that red light at this rate.
Oh, okay. Keep going, commentator. Keep going.
Soccer mom's hauling ass. Let's see. Soccer mom, let's go, soccer mom. Let's go, soccer mom. Okay, hold on to this.
Wave at the soccer mom.
Oh my god, soccer mom's angry now because the acceleration wasn't there. She can definitely maintain speed, but pulling out, is not her forte. Oh my god, I have to pull the dash cam on this one. This is too funny. Alright, we're coming up on some traffic here.
Just take the shoulder. It's an extra lane.
Take the shoulder. We're going for the shoulder again. Getting some air. Use the turn lanes to our passing capabilities. Soccer mom's not giving up.
She's not giving up.
Oh,
this is America.
She's powered on the afterburner of Super Karen. She's burning through fuel fast now. Well, now we're stuck in some traffic here. Small town America. You don't want to be screwing around here. The highway patrol will ding you with like 5 tickets. All right, let's see if soccer mom takes the country road. We're about to take a country road here.
Just take the country road with her. Just take it with her.
Let's see if soccer mom follows me here. Oh dear God, there's some confusion in the traffic here. Traffic patterns. This guy's blocking some road here. Oh, soccer mom is definitely coming up behind.
Yeah.
Oh, schnizzle. We got a green light. You have to turn on green, but only when it's safe. Big truck in front of me holding a forklift. Soccer mom is not happy about this. Very angry. Has possibly soccer mom is a soccer dad. Has their hand on their head, saying, "Why the fuck hasn't this guy gone?" I'm gonna leave soccer. I'm gonna have to break this red light. God damn it! Come on. Soccer mom is definitely angry. She got left behind. We got two trucks blocking the railroad tracks. They both have to stop.
Oh shit.
Gonna have to weave through these guys.
There you go. See,
We got the guy on the forklift. Shit's getting real. Alright, now we gotta floor it and get out of soccer mom territory.
That's hilarious, man.
Oh man, that was a funny little bit there. Where were we? I'm gonna have to pull the footage off the dash cam for that one, because soccer mom wasn't giving up, man. So watch. I'm gonna drive. This is the thing, though. This is how crazy soccer mom is. I'm pretty sure this is why I wanted to put some separation between us, because I know with the way this fuck is driving, they're gonna catch up to me. Oh shit! I think I got soccer mom coming up on me, bro. Oh shit! It's soccer mom! No!
Wave at her.
Oh my god, it's soccer mom!
Wave at her.
Oh, okay, she legit started turning the other way. Oh, thank god, soccer mom. Oh god. Bro, but soccer mom actually caught up to me. Far away, I noticed it, but like, I thought soccer mom wanted some more.
And everything.
She took that turn, the whole van was about to tip over. Oh man, that's funny. Now I can relax for the rest of my drive.
Yay, soccer mom is gone. Yay, hip hip hooray.